Tonight I'm going to be cooking oven roasted chicken drumettes. I got these from Trader Joe's. They're organic free-range chicken. I got 6 drumettes. These are my seasonings. For my seasonings, I have seasoning salt, 21 seasoning salute, black peppercorn, garlic powder, pink Himalayan salt, adobo, smoked paprika. All of my seasonings are from Trader Joe's except from the adobo. And then I have olive oil and then the olive oil spray. Okay, so I put all of my chicken legs, they were rinsed first, and now I have some olive oil and all of the seasonings, and we're just shaking them up in here. So once they're completely seasoned. Okay, so here are the chicken legs. I sprayed the pan that's lined in foil with this Trader Joe's Spanish organic extra virgin olive oil spray, and I just added a little bit more adobo and 21 salute seasoning on top of the chicken. So the oven is on 425, and these are going to cook for 30 minutes, 15 on each side. I'm going to flip it halfway through. So I'm also going to be doing some shrimp Alfredo and some more scallops. So these are my favorite shrimp from Trader Joe's. It's what they look like. They're frozen, they're peeled and deveined, and just run some cold water over them and that defrosts them. So I'm flipping the chicken legs. They've been cooking on 425 for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to flip them and they're going to cook on 425 for 17 minutes on the other side. What do you say?
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. So these are so good. These are organic. You like them, Liam? From Trader Joe's. Nope, you just get one. Thank you. Okay, so these are the scallops, and I cooked them the same way I did the last time I did an Insta video, but only I took the adobo out because last time some of the smaller scallops were a teeny bit salty. So they are looking so good. Okay, so I'm using the same pan, the same skillet that I used for my scallops, which are done, looking good. And I just added the defrosted shrimp. And then once these turn pink and curl up, I'm going to add the Alfredo. So my veg is going to be broccoli and onions. I just diced up an organic yellow onion, added some butter. And this is the broccoli I'm going to use, some broccoli florets from Trader Joe's. I'm going to add a drop of, chicken broth and salt and pepper. This fettuccine Alfredo from Trader Joe's is so delicious. It's just like restaurant quality. And I'm going to add that to the skillet with the shrimp with some chicken broth, butter, milk, cheddar cheese when it's all cooked, and salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, so this is the finished product. Everything looks and tastes delicious. My roasted chicken turned out so good. We got the seared scallops, the fettuccine Alfredo with shrimp, and broccoli and onion.